Hey, is make.com not working at all? Like your automation stopped, scenarios won't run, or things just feel broken? Yeah, don't worry. Let's fix it fast with a few simple checks. All right, first, check if make.com is down. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side. If there's an outage, yeah, you'll just need to wait. Next, refresh the page and log out, then log back in. I mean, this can fix session bugs pretty quickly. Now, make sure your scenario is actually turned on. Yeah, if it's off, it won't run. Simple as that. Click Run Once to test your scenario. This helps you catch errors fast. If something fails, check the error message. Look for missing fields, wrong data, or failed modules. Another big one, expired app connections. So yeah, reconnect your apps and try again. Also, check your schedule and trigger setup. If the trigger isn't firing, the scenario won't start. Quick one, check your usage limits. If you hit your operation limit, everything stops. If the dashboard isn't loading, try another browser or clear cache. And finally, save your scenario and toggle it off and on again. Yeah, quick reset. And yeah, that's it. One of these quick fixes should get make.com working again. Just go through them one by one and you should be back up and running. Hey,